What's up YouTube, and welcome to today's video. Like always, Ohio in the spring. Rainy, dreary, and pretty much just not good weather to be going outside filming and doing stuff to cars, which sucks. But I'm gonna take advantage of this weather. You know, we just had tornado warnings. We just had a whole bunch of tornado warnings. And so I'm gonna take advantage of this situation and I'm gonna help you guys out. There's a storm like this where there's rain, snow, tornado, sleet, hail, anything. If your car breaks down, that's a problem. You need to make sure you're prepared in situations like this, because if you're on the side of the highway, there's a flood, there's a tornado, blizzard, all this stuff, and if you're not prepared and your car breaks down, runs out of gas, any of that, flat tire, and you're not prepared, that's a problem. So I'm here today to help you guys out, keep you guys prepared in situations where something happens. God forbid anything happen. But if it does, you'll at least be prepared and one step ahead of the game so you can resolve your issue that much faster. Oh, and before we go outside, I want to say thank you guys for 15,000 subscribers. You guys are incredible. Keep it up. Keep kicking butt. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support, and let's get into today's video. So first thing you must have in any roadside assistance situation, know the location of your tire iron and your jack. Your bottle jack or scissor jack, whatever comes with your vehicle. Mine, I know my location, it's underneath the passenger seat. Some trucks have it behind the rear seat, and other cars have it in the trunk. Know your location in case of a flat tire or anything. If you have a lifted vehicle like a Jeep, lifted truck, even a lowered car, some of these items will be difficult to use. Most lifted trucks are too high off the ground for your bottle jack to reach, and most lowered cars are too low for your standard vehicle jack to get underneath. In that case, it is essential to have a roadside assistance plan, whether it comes with your vehicle, your insurance, or other programs like AAA that can help you out in those situations, because they'll be able to bring the right tools, or they'll be able to offer you a tow, most of the time free tow, just for being a member. The next thing you must have, and whether it's comes with your car or not, the best thing to have is a roadside assistance kit. This came with my Jetta, and I'm gonna be honest, it is one of the best things any car company could ever do. I know one did come with my Ram, so I'm like, I spent a lot more money on this truck than I did on that Jetta. And I didn't even get a roadside assistance kit. So that's the best thing that came with my Jetta, is this kit right here. This comes with everything you need: rain poncho, gloves, band-aids, jumper cables, road triangle, rain poncho, flashlight, the whole 9 yards. This is one of the best things you can have for your car, truck, or vehicle, is a roadside assistance kit. And this Volkswagen one is probably one of the best ones I've ever gotten or ever seen in itself, because it's got everything you need. Another thing most people look over and don't have, and you might think this is a little extreme, but road flares. Most people don't even think of it, and most people don't have them, or most people wouldn't even think of buying them. But this is probably one of the best things you can have in your car. Not only is this a ignition source, a fire source, because they ignite on themselves. Very bright, very safe. If your car is off the side of the road in a snowstorm, it slid off the side of the road. Very bright, keeps people coming, keeps coming aware. I know when you're driving down the road and you say, oh, what are those flares for? Exactly. These are one of the best things ever, and I'm gonna be honest, these were cheap. And I think there's 4 in this pack. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you want a pack of road flares as well. When you see flares, something's up. I know you've seen them driving down the road, and let me tell you, one of the best things you can have. Now the next thing, it's kind of what this whole video is about. What's worse than your car being in a location where you can't get the jumper cables on? There's no other car to jump your car, none of that. Those are one of the worst situations there are. Another situation is if it's a cold, there's no power source, your car's dead, there's no warmth, no nothing. Nowadays, being self-sufficient is one of the best things you can do. If you can handle everything and all your problems on your own, you're gonna be golden and miles ahead of everyone else. So something almost necessary in your roadside assistance kit is one of these. This right here is a portable jump pack. And now, just like that, you can jumpstart your car or diesel truck or gas truck for that matter, without anyone else around. Simple as that. And not only this is a portable jump pack, this is a portable charger and portable power source for all your devices. And on top of that, not only does your Roadside Assistance Kit come with a flashlight, this has a flashlight as well. This here is the Gooloo Heavy Duty G2000. I was lucky enough to get my hands on a pre-release model. They ran a crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo, which has since closed, but I was able to get my hands on one of the pre-release models. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. If you want a portable jump pack right now, I'm gonna put a link to their portable jump packs. High rated on Amazon, high rated on their website. This, obviously, I said was a pre-release model. I was lucky to get my hands on it. And and how successful their crowdfunding campaign went. Look very soon for these to hit stores, their website, Amazon as well. So keep checking back, as their crowdfunding campaign went so successful. You'll be able to get your hands on one of these, I would assume, very, very soon. More features of this. Charging, and up here, charging. Like I said, man, safety and, you know, peace of mind is probably the best thing you can have. And when you have a power source to not only jumpstart your truck, or if you're out of gas and all this stuff, obviously your truck is not going to run. So a backup power source to charge all your electronics or anything, just to make sure you are 100% still have the, you know, still have contact with somebody to keep you safe and off the side of the road. So not only is having a portable jump pack to jumpstart your car if, you know, just say it's dead, but not only that, you have a portable power source to keep your contact to, you know, whether it's a tow truck, family member, any of that, is a must-have in your car. Normal jumper cables won't do that. So something like this Gooloo jump starter pack is probably one of the best things you could have in your, you know, in your vehicle for when an emergency is there. And don't even think this is just for you. You can have this, you know, pull over the side of the road, you see someone else stranded, jump start. Something like this would help out so much. And not only for you, if you see someone else, you know, in distress, you can help them as well. It's not just all about you. I would go for a drive right now, but add some driving clips into this video, make it a little more entertaining, but you know, safety isn't always the most entertaining, you know, topic, but it's a very important topic. I just washed the truck yesterday, so I don't want to go take it through the muddy, dirty water on the road. And you'll be, I know I keep saying this, but you'll be seeing that very, very soon of why. I gotta keep this thing as clean as possible. And it'll be either this weekend or next weekend that you'll see why this truck needs to stay clean. Truck's doing good, 1,700 miles so far, averaging 17.5 miles a gallon. Truck's doing good. I mean, computer, that is computer calculated, but it's also hand calculated. I hand calculate every tank, and that is pretty much dead on. I've actually averaged more than that computer has read before, so truck's doing really good. And the owner's manual says this truck will break in at 6,600 miles, so you may feel the truck being underpowered and lower, you know, fuel economy in that time. So if that even gets better without the truck being deleted, that's amazing. Yeah, a lot of things coming for the truck. I got some things ordered. They're on their way. I'm gonna order some other things from work. Those will be here soon. I have something else here for the truck already. So this is about to start taking off. I'm pricing out my lift kit, my wheels, my tires. So this truck's about to transform very soon, just in time for spring and the summer weather. So this truck's gonna be crazy very soon here. Again, that is the Gooloo G2000. It's a heavy duty. That'll be coming very soon. But if you guys want a jumpstart pack now, description below. Road flares, all the other road safety stuff, description below. So show them some love. Said not the most entertaining video, but one of the most important videos. Thank you guys for 15,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Videos are gonna start ripping here. Get ready, because things are about to get awesome. Thank you guys for the support. If you enjoyed the video, shoot me a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please click subscribe. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.